Hello guys, this is me, Realm Go America. So I got a tutorial for you. So how to make a 24/7 Minecraft server. Which gonna do is open browser and type craft host, and then go to this site and then it should be like this. Craftdolls.us. And once you finish it, once you finish that, you're gonna need to signing in or register. First name, last name, blah blah blah, whatever you want. So blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Your name, yeah, your email address, example.yahoo.com, like that. So address, whatever your address, blah 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 blah. Choose your state, region, zip code, and like this. So your phone number, which gonna do is phone number, you need to phone number. So yeah, once you finish that, go to login, login, or your email address. My email address. There we go. There we go. So it's the like this. Your home is like this. But if you order like this, and this is the free code, you need to not pay 00 USD. If you want to cool thing, just put the new. Yeah, so I'm gonna order this and order now. So check out this. I not will put because I'm already have that. So go to my services and I create a new, but it's terminated because I already have it. So you need to go to like this, and once you fix that, do not copy this not the local IP. So you need to log in into my blah 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 multicraft again and logging in your email address. Don't name it. So there we go. So your password. There we go. So it's worked. I'm gonna save it. So what you're gonna do is go to this this is this site. So I name it Realm Go Craft, the main site of Realm Go site. So this is I'm the owner, and yeah, first you're gonna do is save and start. That's all. For the console, just go this, and this is your like a Minecraft launcher code. So this is chat, free chat. So yeah, if you want some craft buckets server, just and save it again and stop and restart and stop start. So yeah, this this is the proof if it's working. So I'm gonna use my Minecraft. So yeah. Not now. And see, this is the Remgo site. It's used. So yeah, see, it's work. Finally, it's work. So we don't need anything. So yeah, it's actually work for Bucket server. Yeah. How fun is your phone? 1 to 100, so it's cool. It's the other hosted by Minecraft. It's paid for a long time, but it's work for me, and total 100%. And have fun with your friends, and please subscribe if you want. So like the video, leave a comment. So yeah, have fun with your friends.